we all are doing great. This is our charts on gold. This is the 4 hours time frame. If you look closely, we've been in a tight uptrend. Okay, we've been in a tight. Yes, we had a little break, but price did not break any structure in the process. So I still maintain the bullish vibes. Okay, I want us to look at what the daily looks like. So overall, if we have to follow what the internal trend is presenting to us, so we'll place our Fibonacci from these highs to these lows to see how far price has gone. So we know exactly what we should be expecting because we are still bearish somehow. So we're around 50%, between 50 and 61.8 retracement level. This is a good zone to be looking for sales. But we have CPI today, which means I'd rather not sell. I just watch after CPI before we continue trading. I have some trades open on GBP USD and GBP AUD, which I'm holding. I don't have plans to close anytime soon. Okay, I don't have plans to close. So if you look at the gold, you realize that on the 1 hour, we are still in a very clean uptrend. We are creating higher highs and higher lows on gold, which means as of now, it is still buying. Yes, we are still buying gold. Okay, you see, this is the last structure that was broken, came down, gave another confirmation. This gold, this an engulfing candlestick to tell you to buy. Okay, so good morning, guys. For those who are just joining us now, you're welcome to the channel. Thanks very much for showing your love, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that you get notified for every new video that I shared on the channel. Okay, then tell me in the comment section, where are you joining us from? Where are you streaming from? So at this point, like I said, there is nothing much to do. I'm just watching gold. I am not taking any trade on it today because I don't trade news. Okay, but the trades I have open on the pairs like GBP USD and Euro US and GBP AUD, I will hold. Okay, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Especially for those who think trading is for them, you should subscribe. So this is today's Wednesday, so I want us to do a recap of what we had over the weekend and how far the trades have gone so that we should know what's popping. Okay, we should know what's popping. So looking at it, this is GBP, this is AUD JPY. I expected a pullback before this buys, which did not happen. Price did not give us the pullback. Rather, price has been buying. Okay, so let's see if price will take out these highs. If not, then we should be watching 114 flat. Okay, that's the next level we should be watching to see how price reacts for 1.14 flat. So that's a serious resistance level. So we just watch and see how price reacts around this area. So if we get a sell confirmation around here, we'll take action. But now the point is we have CPI today, so prices might be a little tricky. That's why we just need to be smart. Okay, for those joining us, please do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Okay, and after subscribing, don't forget to turn on the notification there so you get notified whenever I drop a video. So we expect this is GBP USD. Okay, and we've been buying for the past couple of days. Since last week, we've been buying. So, early this week, we anticipated for price to pull back to 1.35 500, yes, 1.34 500, which price said no to that. Price did not. Rather, price break through 1.35 thousand. So because of that break, we had to start looking for buy opportunities. Why? Because we and when price breaks above a key level, you see it has been resting above this key level since yesterday. It rested above, so today too it's starting above. Okay, which tells us cool, buyers are dominating. Okay, now this is what is happening on the 4 hours. So let's say, okay, we did not get a confirmation on the 1 hour, whatever. Finally, price gave us an engulfing candlestick on the 4 hours telling us buyers are dominating. So that's why no matter what, I'm still holding my trade. I'm in and holding. Okay, so tell me in the comment section, where are you joining us from? Where are you streaming from? So I should know where my audience are today. Just let me know. Okay, so yeah, like I said, we've been buying, and I still strongly believe in the buys. And if you move down to 1 hour, you see it is still the same, still looks good. Okay, so we just have to keep watching and see what price will end up doing today. Okay, so because of CPI, you see we might range the whole day. The market might be ranging the whole day, which is still very okay. That's something we cannot avoid, we cannot control, but there is something which is sure. Once you are in a trade, it's either stop loss or take profit. So just watch. So overall, this is what I'm expecting on GBP USD, and I started waiting for these things uh, since May. Yeah, I started waiting for this since May. So if CPI can push price all the way up to 1.36 thousand, oh, that's going to be a good sell for me, guys, because I know from there I'll have to hold my sales all the way down to somewhere around 1.32 thousand. So that's what I'm anticipating for. Okay, so I'm looking forward to see that maybe CPI give us this push. Okay, so if we can have this push, guys, it's really going to be amazing. I'm going to be very, very happy because I'll be able to cash this sell. Okay, that's it for GBP USD. So this is the trade setup we have. Okay, we had this one on Monday last week, on Tuesday last week, and now this one we had on Monday this week. So we are still holding. So this is Bitcoin. I don't trade it as much as that. So this is what's happening on Euro USD. Then this is another pair GBP AUD, which I'm in. I'm currently having a buy on GBP AUD. Okay, this is the daily time frame, guys. So price gave us a move all the way to this point. It was more than 1:2. Okay, that was 1:3, but that's not what I'm targeting. I'm targeting way more than that. So I did not take the profits. It came down to our entry, but that's part of trading. So I'm still holding and hoping that something can happen. So if price gives us, if news pushes it off today, then we're going to be making crazy profits on GBP AUD. I'm not closing any of my trades. I'll let the news push the market. whatever happens should happen. So those are the pairs we have on our watch list this morning. On USD CAD, I thought I was expecting price to pull to this area for us to have a sell, which price did not. So I'm still watching as well. Yeah, so that is it. Thank you. Good, nice day, guys.